Oh, hey, I'm Bottle. It's nice to meet y'all. Most of the time, people just drink me and then chuck me into the gutter. And that's just how life is. People walk past me all the time, and after they're done with me, I feel invisible. But I'm just kind of used to it. Life as a bottle just isn't very interesting. But what if I was like this? I had value. And the second I had value, all of a sudden, people were interested in me. Oh, oi, look down. Hey, you, yeah. You. Yes. You too, huh? You see, all four of us, we are practically cousins. But the second value got attached to us, suddenly we weren't trash anymore. People don't throw away things that carry value. And that's exactly what the Deposit Refund Scheme does. It gives packaging a refundable value. So cans like us get returned instead of being forgotten on the street. DRS, Deposit Refund Scheme.